We know the rain is annoying, but the tulips are loving it. Here's why. At this stage, they're putting on all their main growth, so they actually need a steady supply of water. So if they dry it now, this is when you'll get much shorter stems and less impact in the garden. If you're enjoying this so far, make sure you save and follow. Now let's get back to the video. If they're in pots, it's even more important because they're going to dry out a little faster than ones in your garden borders. Obviously, earlier in the season, drainage is super important for tulips, but now they're growing and flowering, they need that moisture to reach their full height and potential. So, while you're dodging showers, your tulips are quietly thriving. Oh, and one more thing. If you're looking for a cut flower bouquet, make sure you water your tulips well this week.